Hi everyone, and today will be a very short video just to describe some things on my channel, in my garage, and what is going on here and what I want to do in the further time. I even just don't drive it, so it's winter already. We have snow melted again, but it is going. And I think it's a good time now to prepare my car for the winter. So I have very low time permissions and I don't even have time to go to switch the summer tires, the semi-slicks, to the winter tires. It's a Continental Ice Contact 2 model, very good condition, and I think it will be great. I already switched the first rear wheel here, and it fitted quite good. When I'll finish all four wheels, I just show you the result. Nothing is happening to my E90 now. Nothing. And you know, it's some kind of art crisis with my YouTube and with my E90, because I want to do very huge things and I want to do nothing by the time, in the time, and this is a problem, you know. I want to, well, okay, I will not describe you what I want to do, but let me share you just some thoughts that I wanted from just doing nothing with this car to swap the engine and to do some sort of street drift car with it, or even to do nothing and to buy something else, some sort of another BMW. And you know, when you can do actually by the budget all this, I actually can do all this, and I don't know what to do. I don't know what will be the better decision. To make videos, some sort just in English, some sort of informational videos, which I already have on my channel, just in Russian language. So they are all about the E39, they are all about M62 engine that I had, and I think this is quite a good baggage of information, very useful information for the English-speaking society, and I think it's a good idea to start with, just to make new videos in English with this content. This will be great, I think, and this will be stable. So every week I will prepare some videos and I will just publish them every week in one day, in one time, and this will be good, some sort of gaining for my channel. And by the time these videos will be publishing, I think I will just start to do something with the E90. So this will be, I think, quite a good idea. Here's the result. How now these winter tires are fitting. I think they're fitting perfectly. Very beautiful. I cleaned the tires, I cleaned the rims, and well, this looks brilliant, really brilliant. I like it, and yeah, it's great for winter, but we need snow. Where is snow? That's really great. Great fitting for winter tires. And check out the cold exhaust. this car, I think, almost a month, and well, it's beautiful, it's great. So the light tests are now done. No tire gripping anywhere, no scrumbing, and that's perfect, I think. The more time I own this car, the more time I drive this car, the more I like it more. After my previous 540i, well, yes, I have some regressions about the V8, the manual transmission, but the handling of this car, the driving of this car, how it feels, how it looks, that makes me much better. And you know, after all, we can just switch this thing off to make it manual anytime. I'm working on this now, you know, and I think we will have some result. Maybe in the nearest future. That's kind of spoiler, you know, but yeah, it's almost a year when I'm owning this E90, and I think it's time to do that. It's time to do that, and almost because of this, well, let's talk about this in the next video. What am I doing now is moving to some kind of secret place where we with my friends from our BMW club, we will get some fuel. I forgot to tell you what's in. I've been trying to drift in here, so I'll just add here this sheet, so it was not drifting, it was some kind of I don't know how it's called, because it's automatic. It's going to surge from the second when the engine is getting to 7,000 RPM. So this is unbelievable and very bad, but I did these things here. Okay, and now I want to talk about a little bonus in my car. It's adaptive Xenon lights, which are working. So you can see that it's fog now, and you can see when I'm turning the steering wheel. I will turn it now to the right. You can see that the lights are going to the right, and when I turn the steering wheel to the left, the lights is going to the left, which is, well, it's really cool. And yes, as you can see, it's just 7 p.m. and yes, in Ukraine we have no street lights, so we're driving like this. So in the darkness, it's fully in darkness in every Ukraine city. Well, I think you know why. Because of Russian terrorists. Look what they've done. So that is really cool. Really great lights. The only thing is that these lights are going on when it turns to the left side, and on this side are not, so there may be some bulb isn't working, which I will just change, and that's it. And also the thing is that I want to put new bulbs in the fog lights, so the right side is working on and the left side isn't working, so I think it also will be fixed in the future. And that's really it for today. Thank you for your attention, thank you for this short, I hope it was short video, interesting video, and I'm already preparing the new videos, uploading them to my channel, so please subscribe and wait on the next video, on the next week, at the same day and at the same time. See ya!